Most business programs give you 25% of the solution. Here is what 100% looks like. You're a 7 or 8 figure business owner and you're stuck. Plateaued revenue, trapped as the bottleneck, burnt out and unhealthy. Here's what you need to understand. Your biggest constraint isn't strategy. It's not market conditions. It's not your ability to scale. It's your personal capacity. Poor health caps your energy. Poor mindset sabotages your strategy. And if you're the bottleneck, your business will never scale beyond you. That's the problem. And here is the solution. The 4-pillar integration system. The Valentum Nexus is built on one simple truth. The CEO is the product of 4 pillars. Pillar number 1, health. Your vitality, your energy, your physical capacity. Because if you can't sustain energy or move without pain, nothing else works. Pillar number 2, mindset. Your mental toughness, your clarity, your leadership psychology. Because poor mindset sabotages every strategy you implement. Pillar number 3, business building a scalable enterprise that runs without you. Because if you're the bottleneck, you don't have a business. You have an expensive job. Pillar number 4, wealth. Generational wealth creation, not just quarterly profits. Because what's the point of building something if it doesn't create lasting freedom? So here's the key. These pillars aren't separate. They are irrevocably linked. Most programs focused on one pillar, just business tactics, just mindset work, just health coaching. And that's why they don't work. Because you can't optimize one pillar in isolation and expect exponential results. Poor health caps your capacity, so your business strategies don't work. Poor mindset sabotages your execution, so your tactics fail. Poor systems trap you as the bottleneck, so you can't scale. The Valentum Nexus integrates all 4 simultaneously. We optimize your health first, so you have the capacity to execute. Then we build systems so your business runs without you. And we create a wealth strategy that builds generational value, not just quarterly profits. Now that's integration. And when you integrate, you optimize all 4 pillars at once. That's when exponential results happen. Here's what happens if you don't solve this. You stay stuck as the bottleneck. You keep waking up at 3 a.m. feeling shame. You feel sacrificing your health for your business. And a year from now, you're at the same place, or worse. But here's what's possible if you integrate. You wake up rested. Your body doesn't ache. Your business runs without you. You're building generational wealth. You're present with your family. That's the difference. If you want to see this system in action, real results, real transformations, watch video 4. It's a full case study of a client who went from 2 to 3.8 million while losing 10 kilos and reclaiming their freedom. DM me framework if you want the full breakdown, or just keep watching. This is how integration works.